Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, March 23rd. Anybody want some tacos? It's Taco Tuesday. All right, let's take a look here at our futures. We've pulled back a little bit, but you can see we're still holding right about where that 3 and 8 are. They're touching each other, and we've pushed up off of the lows a bit here and staying above of the. So this red line is considered the point of control. You can see it kind of will fall with the fib line as well, but we're holding on there. And really looking at the cues here, we came very close to touching to test that 50 before pulling back. And this morning we are looking to make so far a higher low, and we'll see how this day turns out. Yesterday, if you remember, I stressed that we really need to get up and close over the 50 and then continue the move over the 50. We closed over the 50 back here last week and then promptly pulled it back. So we have a nice 3-8-20 from Friday that brought us all together, started making a little bit of grounds yesterday, and we'll see if we continue that here today. Oil, right back down to the 50. We've tested that 50 here in the oil futures market, so keep a really close eye on oil as well. We will see how that bears out on the markets. Okay. The Dow futures in particular are down 124 points, right back down. We're making a little channel here below that trend line. Again, just be really cautious of that. Yesterday when we moved up on less volume. That was something that we talked about, especially in the SPY, that we moved up on lighter volume. So we want to make sure that when we do move up that we hold in at least an average volume and push ourselves up. Otherwise, we're just kind of floating around, and it just means that we need to be more aware. Hold on. Sorry about that. Okay, so what am I watching? Well, yesterday I did get into DraftKings. I am holding that, and that one is looking red here this morning. Up off of the lows, it is sitting at 71.40. It's at 72 mark that I really like. I want to stay above 72 on DraftKings. So I am in those. But ones that we looked at yesterday, and I'm kind of sticking with these because they just really still continue to look good. I want to mention Nuon. We had the 3-8-20. We were pushing away. We're starting a new sequence as well. We are below the 50. So, that will definitely be some resistance coming up. But this one had some ridiculous calls go through it yesterday, and they were the 521.47. So I just want to put that out there for something to watch, because clearly there must be something kind of going on back there. I just don't know what it is. MCD. Now these are the ones that we did see before the close yesterday. McDonald's, nice climb up, taking a break. Yesterday we turned ourselves around. Even though we brought ourselves back into these candles, we had some decent volume. This morning we are looking pretty flat right along this line. I like this over 225.10 in McDonald's, and the ones I'm looking at are the 521.230s on that. All right, Pepsi. Pepsi came up and closed over its 200 finally. We blew right through that 50, closed up over the 200. So looking for the continuation here and to stay over the 200. That's definitely a good area to stop out if you do take this one. In Pepsi, I'm looking at the June 18th 140s, and I want anything over yesterday's close. Apps. This one really nice. We've been playing around here with the 20 for a while. We've been putting in some higher lows, right? Have a nice little wedge going on here. There we go. Looking at apps, anything over yesterday's close, so right around the 89.30 area, that'll bring us up over this congestion that we had right here. Really like it breaking through this upper trend line. In apps, I'm watching the 618.90 for the continuation there. You could use the 20 as a stop. Best Buy, another one we're watching. We've marched up now, and this one I think I might want, we'll watch here for a little bit of a rest period, right? Coming right back up into some resistance, some levels that we really couldn't break through before. Nonetheless, I think this is still a pretty decent chart to keep an eye on. Maybe not set itself up today, but we'll see. Here's the next area of resistance that's going to come right up along with the candle tops here. So anyway, the 618.120 on Best Buy. Maybe people use their stimulus checks here to go buy some new computers and TVs. You never know. And then Apple. Apple has been under the 50 here, but put in a really nice area. Lot of buying and selling going on here. Really pretty. We have the 3820 coming to this really nice point. I actually would like this to move up just a little bit more. Anything over 125 is what I would look at in Apple, and then push those out to the June 125s. All right, that is what I'm looking at here this morning. I hope you have a fantastic Tuesday. We'll be in and out here as we are in Florida. Kids are on spring break, so yeah. So the kids are on spring break this week, and Mom and Dad here are going to need a break next week. Yeah, it's feeling like that. Okay, everyone, have a great day.